bring you a video of the truck loaded down. Now we're going riding tomorrow, and I thought this was a beautiful day, an opportunity to show you guys how to properly strap down your machines to your trailer. Now in the last video I showed, I didn't demonstrate it. I demonstrated it, but I didn't demonstrate it for some of the dummies to comprehend it. So I got a lot of hate comments. So I wanted to bring some things to light. Everybody says when you use these, your machine will move back and forth. Well, I assure you, if used properly, it won't move at all, okay? Now, if you can see right here, if you angle your straps properly, it will make it so the machine won't move. So if you notice, I got mine angled towards the front up here. It's nice and tight. It's pulling the machine up. Back here, I have them angled to pull the machine backward. So now, I know Rhino says, or VULCAN and Rhino both, says to use these perpendicular straight up and down. No, absolutely not. That's going to make your machine rock and roll. So I also have these anchor tie down points. You can get these on Amazon. I'll have all this stuff in a link in the description down below. Check that stuff out. So moving back here to the 500 trail. Now, I did the same thing exactly. These machines are not going anywhere. Make sure to set your e-brake also. The e-brakes are not set on these for demonstration purposes only. You see that going anywhere? I don't think so. Not budging, pal. So I wanted to thank all the haters in the last videos for giving me the views and all the dislikes, because all that stuff helps the channel anyway. So I want to thank you for that. Now I also want to bring to light on the quick connect ones that go on the E-Track. I don't care for those. That's a great setup. But the reason I don't care for them is because a lot of people don't know how to install them. That's a whole different video for a whole different topic, but a lot of people don't install them correctly, and it can be dangerous. A properly secured load on your trailer, if your trailer should flip, that load should still be tied to it. That's a properly secured trailer. Granted, in some instances, some straps can break, some things can come off. It can be uncontrollable. But I say to you, would you rather your machine be tied down properly and not have to worry about it coming off the trailer? Or would you rather have to do some jail time because your machine came off a trailer into a windshield of an oncoming motor vehicle and killed somebody? That's my looking at it. Stop tying it down with your winches. Yes, you can use that as an extra if you want to, but don't rely on just the winch. Tension on winch cables loosen up, especially when they're not spooled up tightly. They'll loosen on the trailer over time. You can also break your winch doing that. You can strip out the gears from the shock load and the forces of the suspension up and down. The whole key to tying down a side-by-side properly to a trailer is tying it on a non-movable component. So you want your buggy to still be able to move up and down without coming loose. Tying it at the trailer is your best overall option. Tire on the trailer. I see a lot of people tying down to their rock sliders or Nerf bars. That's a no-go zone. The reason I say that is there's too much body movement here and there'd be too much slack in your straps. So it's really a non-secure way. I see a lot of people tying up here on their A-arms. You can get away with that if you do it down lower towards the ball joints, because it really doesn't move that much down there. So you can really get by with it down there. So if you don't want to use these, get the axle straps like I have here. Oh, the box is locked, never mind. But they're axle straps. I'll have those down in the link below. You put them around your A-arm and you just hook a strap to it, and that'll be okay too. That'll get you by. But in my all honest opinion, guys, I should have done this before, because trying to find a good sturdy tie down point every single time I loaded it was more of a pain. Loading these and having them strapped up took me like 10-15 minutes. So I hope this little video helps you guys. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Check out the links below, check out the merch, and can't wait to see our riding videos coming up soon. Peace out.
Not good.